Hello again. If you saw my last video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, that's such a long name, you'll see that I got the Aramid Standing cover included with my phone. So to keep the videos a little bit shorter, I decided to make its own video for the case. So this is the Aramid case. It's made of a Kevlar composite type material. Very, very lightweight, but very, very strong. Just excuse me here. I just put some lights on because the autofocus is having a little bit of problems with the lights off. Right, so Aramid Standing cover by Samsung. A little bit of information there. And let's open this up. Okay, so inside we've got a little booklet, just to show you that you tuck it onto the corner first. Can you see that? There we go. And then it just slides and clips into place. Not like last time. Last time they had little stickers, and the stickers were not particularly good, and the case sometimes fell off. This one clips more into place more firmly, so that would be good. Nice little piece of felt in the back there to stop things from scratching. A little sticker that I'll take off. And this is super thin. It's even thinner than last year's Fold case. I don't know if you can see here. On the back you've got a little stand, so you can use it to stand the phone up in landscape mode. See how thin that is? It is ultra thin. I would say it's just a few microns rather than with any thickness gauge. Right, so it goes on the front there, clipping it so it goes around the camera. Looks quite nice. I think it looked nice on the black phone rather than the gold phone, but it is what it is. They haven't made any different colours as yet. I'll probably pick up the brown leather case for it when it's available. I did ask today, but they don't have any. Nice cutouts for the bottom, cutouts for the top, and it has a nice look. It has a carbon fiber look, and the Samsung, the little stand that pops out, is also made of the same fibers, so it should be ultra strong and flexible without breaking. Nice looking case. Doesn't give very much protection, so the hinge doesn't have a lot of protection. Well, it doesn't have any protection. It does its job for standing, but this phone can stand like that anyway. That's the whole idea of the flex. And it does give a little bit of a lump, even more than the camera bump. Wireless charging does work. I do know that because I tested it in the shop. So wireless charging does work, although it doesn't sit on the charger particularly safe. Yeah, opening it to flex mode, when you do that now, it's unstable because it's got a big lump underneath it. Definitely not well thought. Oh, definitely not well thought out, Samsung. I think that the leather case will be a much better choice for most people. But I made this video to give you that choice so that you can see for yourself. Again, it would look much nicer on the black one. Right, so it's not designed to stand this way. It's designed for this way, and that is much firmer. Yeah, that's a much firmer way of putting it. This way it could fall over. Yeah, it's top heavy, and so not advisable to put it that way around. Let's just have a look at one of my videos so that I don't get demonetized. Okay, so this is the video I made yesterday on the R6. Or the day before yesterday. Day before yesterday when you see this. Hello again. Today we're going to unbox Okay, so if I put the little stand out again, there we go. Yeah, that does work quite well. That's something that I'll probably miss when I do get the leather case, because it's something that the other fold also needed. Anyway, it is unfortunately the way it is. I'll just show you again. I'll have it upside down. I'll just show you again that that's, yeah, it's just not working that way around. But if you put the stand out that way, it works nicely and it's nice and secure. Right, okay, so this was just a quick video just to show you the case in case you were thinking of picking it up for your own phone. Let me know if you do have the fold, the second fold, how you like it, what you think of it, and if you're going to keep it or, you know, sell it on. I'm definitely going to keep this. I'm really loving it. It's such a great device and I look forward to using it for many, many months. Right, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a comment if you want to on the bottom there. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.